Cozy Artist, this is Ray Claire. Welcome back to my channel. So jumping straight into the video, I got some of my products manufactured with Sonic Bark. This is their website. It's a local print shop close to me in British Columbia, Canada. I'll leave the link to their website in the description below. And so I got a tote bag manufactured by them, and I also got some stickers. I decided to work with this company because I've dealt with them in the past. Carrie is the owner of Sonic Bark, and I actually have some of my zines featured at her shop. She has a vending machine that features local artists' artwork that you can purchase, and so I decided to try out her printing services. As you could see, the tote bag, even though it was thin material, it was very strong, and I'm actually using it in my day-to-day life. And these stickers are really nice too. They're waterproof. They're a thin vinyl material, and they actually have some sparkle to them that you can see in person. The camera couldn't really catch it that well, unfortunately. So I only got 2 of each design. So I got 2 designs of the sticker sheets and also some die cut stickers. And these are of apricot and tuna. The sticker sheets, one of them was a high tea inspired theme, and the other one was Asian food inspired. A lot of Korean dishes, and also bubble tea, which is Chinese. And I just got a few things to see how they would look. These are available on my website, so you can check them out there, and I'll order accordingly. This is my childhood sticker book. You can see that it's pretty wrecked, but as a kid I loved collecting stickers, and all my aunts and older friends would just give me whichever stickers that they found at the dollar store or whatever, and I just would put all of them in my book. And you can see there's no real organization here. I was just obsessed with filling the pages. These ones I made on my own. I really loved Hamtaro growing up, and so I printed them and cut them up and stuck them with tape. I liked different texture stickers, so those penguins that you saw were like a felt material, and then I also liked bubble stickers when I was a kid. So this I pretended was my sticker doll house, and there she is sleeping in her little bed, and that's her closet, and she has got like a dog on the carpet just napping. And then I pretended this was the kitchen and washroom area. I know it makes no sense to an outsider, but in my little childhood head, that's what it was. And this was her backyard. And then just, again, filling up pages as much as I could with different stickers. And now, this page is where I put all the stickers that I've made for my business. These first ones were ones that I made at home. That's why they don't look as professional, in my opinion, but it was my first time making them. So now I'm going to move some of the stickers that I made and put all of the stickers together on these last 2 pages. The great thing about sticker books is you can see how old this thing is, but because of the special pages, you're able to preserve your stickers for a lifetime. So now that I've freed up that page, I can move the food theme stickers to the other side, and I'll keep the tuna and apricot and other character stickers at the back. What I really enjoyed about this was revisiting my childhood memories and seeing how much I loved stickers back then, but then also if childhood me found out that she was manufacturing stickers to sell, I think she would be really excited. Stickers that I designed. So that was pretty cool. You can kind of see the shimmer there, but it's much prettier in person. It's a shame that the camera couldn't catch it exactly. But yeah, this is the high tea theme. And then this is the Asian food. I actually designed this one for my best friend. I'm going to mail it off, one of them, to her because she asked me for those designs. She told me her favorite foods, and so I drew them, and I was like, do you like these? And she's like, yeah. So I got them made, or manufactured with Sonic Bark. I have so many other ideas for stickers to make, but for now, I'll just keep these designs because I'm not really selling much on my website, to be honest. So I'll just see for now. In the meantime, I'm working on some bigger projects in the background, so for now, those are just the sticker designs that I have. And you can see from the back that it's like this vinyl plastic material, so it is pretty strong. And these are all the food stickers that I've made so far. Now it's time to add the new designs of tuna and apricot. I think the new designs of tuna and apricot are so much cuter, but I do appreciate the journey that I took starting from the old designs. And then this die cut sticker is of the Ray Claire crew, I like to say. So it's just Ray Claire with the cat and the dog. There's still plenty of space for more future sticker designs. But for now, that's the end of this video, and I want to thank you so much for taking the time to watch it. Feel free to check out my other videos on my channel, and have a great day, everyone. Bye! And now for a brief message. This is my website, rayclairedeloon.com. I offer free webcomics and merch that I've based off of those webcomics, including printable coloring pages and also printable planners. I offer keychains and more. I also have a free art blog, and I also offer a membership page for those who want more. Hope to see you there.